Hey guys, welcome back to Help Screen, and today I'm going to show you how to delete a Roblox account on mobile. So first thing is open up the Roblox application, it's your device. And now from here, just make sure you are signed in to an account that you want to delete and select the more at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now just simply scroll down a little bit and you should be able to see here settings. So select settings, and from here, you should be able to see privacy and content restrictions. Now from here, at the very bottom, you should be able to see account deactivation and deletion. So select that. And now guys, you will have two options. So if you go for deactivate account, you should be able to reverse it and activate it again after some time. But if you initiate account deletion, it will be permanent and cannot be reversed. So just simply select initiate over here. And after that, as you can see, your account will be permanently deleted and it will not be accessible anymore. And you will not be able to access any items from your Roblox account. And once you are sure, just simply select initiate in order for you to delete the account. I hope this video helped you understand more, and thanks for watching.